Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of the new speaker from Tribit. It's called the xboom. It seems very nice. It's got pretty nice specs and it seems capable. So we'll open it up quickly, see what it contains and its features, and then we'll compare it to maybe another speaker or hear some sounds. So let's go. So let's start with the unboxing. So you got a writing here, welcome to be a Tribit super user, and they refer to their website. Do register to their website so you get all the information about new speakers, about their sales and everything. Very nice. We got a pretty nice instructions here, user manuals. In Chinese and in German and in English and some more languages. We don't need it right now. And there's a speaker. We got two cards here. One is for donating for UNICEF $1, and the other one is a 30-day money-back guarantee, 18 months of replacement warranty, and a lifetime support guarantee. So it seems to the company is making an effort to give you good service, and that's a good sign. You also get here a QR code for this Facebook and their website, so they seem to be involved in their community and users, so it's nice to know that. Let's look at the speaker itself. Pretty common design, two passive radiators on the side, and the main board in the middle. Tribit here. You can use it like this, or you can put it like that. And the speaker seems to be placed on both sides of the speaker, so you'll get some kind of more spacious sound, more surround sound, more 360 degrees sound. I don't know, but this is the design. You don't have a single panel that outputs the sound. You got two of them, which could be result in a better stereo image quality of sound. Now let's look at the panel. So we got the on and off button, which is pretty nice right here. There is another button here. This is the Bluetooth button, okay, which maybe connects to your phone. I didn't try it yet. And we got a nice feature here, the X bass button, which is very useful if you are hearing different kind of music, you want more or less bass. This is a nice one. So on the sealed panel here, let's open it up. I'm happy to inform you that the seal is pretty tight, so it's a good sign. And here you have the aux in input and the charging port, a normal micro USB charging. So let's connect this speaker and hear some sounds with the X bass and without it, and let's see how this speaker performs.
So let's start with a sound test. I'm sitting about, the speaker is about chest level, normal listening position. I'm about 1.5 to 2 meters from the speaker. Let's see how it sounds in the X bass off position, and then we'll turn the X bass off. I'll make sure that the X bass is off. Let's see. Now it's on. So there we go. X bass is off right now, and let's see how this speaker perform. Okay, so first impression, very impressive. I wasn't feeling any lack of bass, even though the X bass were off. Sound distribution is pretty good from both sides, and the treble is sharp. If I'll compare it to other speakers, it may be like JBL-like. Very defined treble, little bit metal type of treble. Very it suits to everyday music. This kind of electronic music is working very well. It is with this speaker. But overall, for $70 speaker, very impressive performance right now. So let's see what we can do with the X bass and how much more bass will we get, because it's pretty good enough right now. Another thing I want to mention, that you probably will have to work this speaker in two ways. One way is the one that you see right now, that the speaker is standing on one of its passive radiators. It does have a port down here, it's not sealed, so you don't lose bass. The other way is to put it on its control panel and outlets. This way it could be possible, and then you'll get a different sound. I'll check this position as well. So let's turn on the X bass, short press here, and then we'll get the X bass, and let's see if there's a difference between the X bass off and X bass on. So now we are checking the X bass on, more bass on the speaker. Let's see, does it makes a difference. Wow, so there is a difference. You can see a significant raise in the bass. If you like this kind of music, if you like strong bass, this is a good deal for $70 speaker. This is a very impressive bass. Let's take a closer look at the passive radiator here. I'll zoom in a bit, and you can see, I'll play the speaker and you can see the operation of this passive radiator. So very nice operation of the, not operation, very nice production of bass, especially when considering this speaker is rated at 12 watts per channel. This is a pretty good specifications, but you know, 12 watts, you have speakers on the market that rated above this, but you have some other specifications that do make the difference as well, as to speakers efficiency and frequency response, and of course maybe distortion. So meanwhile, this speaker is given pretty impressive performance if you're looking for a speaker for everyday music. This might be the speaker for you. I think it's one of the best options right now on the market. So let's hear it now in another position. Let's turn the X bass off because it's very nice, but you have enough bass when positioning it like this. Okay, so we zoom in, let's zoom out, and I'll position the speaker in this position. Check the focus. So now we'll hear is there a difference when the speaker is lying down. Okay, so a quick conclusion. I like more the upstanding speaker position. It sounds much more richer. The bass is more pronounced. It does makes different. You can hear the speaker in this position, but I think the other one gives a better performance, especially if you have some, you know, pretty solid surface to put it on. It will make the speaker, I think, sound better than this position. Maybe if you have a softer surface, this one will work better. So let's make a quick comparison to another speaker. I think it's inevitable to compare this speaker to the JBL Flip 4. Let's change the song and see how these both speakers work. So both speakers are in position right now. I intentionally put the JBL in its position that it sounds more good. So the JBL is lying down and the Tribit is vertical. And now let's compare this speaker. I'll put a song that have vocals so you can see the difference between the speakers. So first one is the Tribit. Let's go. Okay, so this was the Tribit, and let's switch to the JBL. Let's try to increase a bit of volume in the JBL. Okay, so this was the JBL. Which speaker do you prefer? Which one do you think you like more? I'll tell you one thing for sure. The Tribit has a more distribution, more wider distribution of sound, you know, in the room, and the JBL is more like a direct source. I think the distribution of a Tribit is better, but listening from the side, I can't decide which speaker is better, you know. So hope you enjoy this review and comparison of those speakers. I think both speakers are good, it's a matter of taste. But take a note that the Tribit is a little bit cheaper, and for $70 speakers this is a pretty good value package with a nice performance. So hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like this review, and give me a thumbs up below. I'll put a link for both speakers on Amazon, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you for listening to this review. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun.